First, you can find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed for the time being. Once you've done that, give yourself some time to ease into a comfortable position. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling how the air is filling your lungs, making your chest expand and your stomach rise. Hold the breath in for just a moment and then slowly let out a deep exhale through your mouth, feeling how the air gently escapes through your lips, making your chest contract and your stomach fall. Keep breathing deeply. Feel how your body is becoming softer with each breath you take. Now, take a moment to let your mind quiet down. Detach yourself from the mind's narrative, letting the breath be the only thing you focus your attention on. Inhaling, exhaling, letting your body relax, letting your mind quiet down, enjoying the peaceful silence you've created. Now, take a moment to notice how you're feeling. Are there any thoughts that are causing you anxiety right now? You needn't evade them, just breathe through them, sensing how they are becoming softer and quieter as your breathing becomes deeper and slower. Now, you can gently turn towards the source of the discomfort, and rather than blocking it out, just acknowledge what is happening. Remain receptive, allowing all your thoughts and feelings to come in and out of your field of awareness naturally, aiming to be a passive observer, peaceful yet curious about what your mind has to tell you, knowing that you are not your thoughts, but the silent stillness behind them. Think about your worries. Ask yourself, are they rational? Is their urgency justified? Keep breathing deeply, taking the time to let these thoughts flow through you, acknowledging whether they are helpful or hindering. Often our thoughts are simply reactions, a way for our minds to make sense of the emotions present within us. When you see the anxious thoughts for what they are, you are able to let them pass through you without letting them affect how you're feeling, while at the same time drawing wisdom and insight from them. Breathe through the thoughts, and once you've made peace with them, allow yourself to let go of all that is unneeded, changing the course of these thoughts, changing how they're influencing your body and mind right now. Observe how the very act of concentrating on your breath is making you feel, how you are able to connect with the deep-seated feeling of relief and contentment. Now, as we reach the end of this session, I'd like you to come back to your breath once more. Take a few more deep breaths, coming back to your body, coming back to the space you're in. And when you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes.